As you may recall, ASCA recommends school counselors conduct a time use assessment twice a year to collect and analyze time use data. This is done by tracking what you do in your daily work over a period of time and categorizing your hours by the type of activity you're doing. We know that this can be a time-consuming task, so we have a time sampling and analysis tool to help make it as easy as possible. To help make this a regular habit and part of your program management in implementing the Ask a National model, you'll complete a 1-week time sampling for this fall semester. You can always continue to track your time with our tool for longer than a week if you wish. This time sampling will serve two purposes. First, it will help you collect time use data for the annual administrative conference you'll have next school year, which of course is part of implementing a comprehensive school counseling program based on the Ask a National model. And secondly, it can also serve as a sample of a weekly calendar for your RAMP application if you choose to apply for RAMP. You always have quick access to this time tracking tool here with the blue button in the menu. In the log, you can find instructions by clicking the menu at the top left bound with the 3 green lines. You'll also see other menu options, including counselor information. This is where you can customize your log by entering the total number of hours that you're contracted to work each week, whether your position is full-time or part-time, the start and end times for your log, and how often you would like to enter time use data. ASCA uses a 15-minute time block on their template. This feature allows you to customize your data entry. Be sure to click the green Save button at the bottom of the page to make sure any changes you've made are saved. You can start logging your hours simply by typing in the activity you did at a particular time and select the category for that particular activity. Definitions of each category can be found at the top. Just click on the information icon next to each category. If you are unsure about an activity's type, discuss it with other counselors in your school or district. If you split a time block between 2 categories of activities, use your best judgment in selecting the category that used most of that time. If this happens frequently, you'll be able to change the length of each time block. You'll now complete a time sample in this fall, and then again another 1-week time sampling in the spring. Again, it's best practice for school counselors to look at data on how we actually use our time to help us get closer to spending more of our time in student services. As always, we're available for individual support through email, phone, text, or online with Zoom. If you need support, just reach out by calling or texting or emailing me at kelly@inspiresuccess.org.